Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a miracle knots look and I'm using hair from Icy Hair. It's the Burmese curly human hair, 18 inches long. And of course, for miracle knots, you start off by braiding the client's own hair and you add the hair in places or positions where you would want the volume to be. In this case, for the first row, I'm only adding the hair to the very end, and so once I have only an inch of hair remaining, I go ahead and start braiding in the thread portion of the human hair. All right, so this is the first braid. I'm gonna show you guys once again over the opposite side. Start to braid her own hair, and you're going to continue braiding all the way until you get to maybe an inch or so of unbraided hair. Then you go ahead and feed in the human hair, and you're only braiding in the thread portion. That's what I love about the fact that the hair has a thread. It is so easy for you to braid it in without it being very noticeable. All right, so guys, for the most part, I am adding braiding hair at the very beginning. So I separate the hair into three and lay one piece of the human hair and start braiding the hair. Again, I am braiding in only the thread portion of the hair. And then once the thread portion is fully braided in, then I just pin off that curly piece of hair and continue braiding her own hair. And then I go ahead and add another piece at the end. No, you are at liberty to add as many pieces of hair that you want. So if you wanted to do 3 on that braid, or 4, or even 1 like I did in the beginning, then it's up to you based on the volume that you want. But for the volume that we needed, I just did 2 pieces on these top braids, and look how nice and fluffy and full the hair is so far. So perfect. Speaking of hair, guys, the hair again, as you saw, it's from Icy Hair, and it is the Burmese curly 100% human hair. I did use 4 packs to achieve the look. Typically, guys, if you have 200 pieces of crochet hair, you are in business. Yes, so as a ballpark guide, 200 pieces is usually enough. You might not use all of it, or you may, depending on again the volume that you want. So one of the keys to having very neat looking miracle knots is to make sure that your parts are consistent, yes, in size, and that they are very, sharp. Try not to compromise on the sharpness of your part, because it will definitely be noticeable. All right, so and we are going to go ahead and spray the hair down just to make sure that it is more defined and softer. And once the hair is fully saturated with water and I scrunch it in, then I go ahead and add some mousse, and this will definitely help to add a little healthy shine and just to tame any flyaways that might exist. And I'm just using a little bit of braid spray from African Pride, and this is mainly for the nice smell that it has on the hair, yeah, and a little bit of oil sheen. And just like that, guys, we are pretty much done with the process. Yes, look at how nice and fluffy the hair is. And I think one of the miracles of the miracle knots installation process is that you're able to achieve this fullness without having any type of weight on your head at all. The hair is absolutely weightless, and so that makes it so much more she is funny, makes it so much more pleasant to wear. All right, so this is how the hair turned out. She was really feeling herself. I have to laugh, it's funny. And I did part the hair intentionally so that she would be able to wear it as a middle part, as well as on either side. So you make sure that you are, pretty much mindful with the parting. These details can make or break the final look of your style. Okay. By the way, can you guys tell by now that she is a fan? That she's absolutely loving the hair? She was absolutely obsessed with it. All right. And can't blame her because it really, really, really turned out nice. And then, she was even in awe of the fact that the hair was so lightweight, and she also had the opportunity of putting it up in a ponytail if she so choose. It's undeniably one of the better protective styles out there, definitely. And the feeding method is one that will spare your hair from any damage as opposed to the crochet method. All right, there you have the versatility, being able to pull it up in a ponytail. I will leave the link down below, and I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.